So it's a beautiful day and I'm just walking right now because stretching my legs. I must say that there are a lot of blueberries in this area and it's amazing. We ate a lot actually. So now what we're doing is we are going to another lake. We have been there this morning and we saw some of course we saw some trouts splashing a little bit here and there, but they didn't bite. Actually, it's very hot, so we're gonna try it again tonight. We don't have a lot of expectations about it because we understand the dilemma of the temperature that we are facing right now. It's very hot, so we're just gonna have fun. Looks like it's going to be a rainy day. Ooh. But the Lord is good. Gives break to the fish. It's been so warm. So this is gonna do good. Thank you, Lord. Thanks for the coffee, hon.
Welcome on a cool, stormy day.
Yeah.